Welcome to today's class. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher, and today you are studying English with me. You are learning English with me. It's the same, okay? The same meaning. So I want to explain how to describe a picture. Describe means talk about what something looks like, yeah, what something looks like. So what the picture looks like. Remember, a picture is something we draw or maybe paint with paints, but we draw a picture. I have drawn a picture on the board. Yeah, this is my picture. So this is a picture, and I will describe the picture. I will talk about what he is doing, what he is doing, what he is doing, what he is doing, and where they are on the picture, where they are. So, for example, we have on the left, yeah? On the left is here, on the left of the picture. So, at the moment, I am standing on the left of the whiteboard. Yeah, this is my whiteboard. I am standing on the left. Now, I am standing on the right, yeah? This is my right arm, this is my left arm, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I write essays, I write on the board with my right hand, yeah? Right and right. They sound the same. Right, yeah, like right on the board, and right hand, okay? They sound the same. But you can say this man is on the left of the picture. Okay, let's draw something else. What can I draw? I'm not good at drawing pictures, but this man, okay, he is standing on the right of the picture, yeah? He is standing on the right, he is sitting on the left, and he is running, yeah? He is running in the middle, in the middle. In the middle means in the center. You can say center. It's the same. Center, middle, the same. So he is in the middle, he is on the left, he is on the right. He is at the top, yeah, he is at the top of the picture, My title is at the top of the board, yeah, my title, how to describe a picture, is at the top of the board, and to eat an ice cream is at the bottom of the board, at the bottom, at the top, at the bottom, on the left, on the right, in the middle, yeah? So you have these words to remember. Remember, at the top, on the left, on the right, at the bottom, in the middle. They're very useful if you want to describe a picture. Okay, so remember those. Next, we say in the box. Yeah, this is a box. It's a box. I have drawn a box. Yeah, I can draw boxes. So this word is in the box because in means inside. I am in my shed. This wooden place is my shed. I am in my shed. But you know, when you go to sleep, you lie, yeah, lie in bed. You are inside the bed. You are under the covers, So you are in bed. Okay, so in, it means inside, in the box. On is here. When something is on the box, it's at the top. It's at the top and it's sitting on the top of the box. It's sitting on top of the box. So you can say he is sitting on the bed. And it means he's on the covers. The covers are under him. Yeah, he's on the bed. He's not in the bed. He's sitting on the bed. Okay? If I sit on a table, I sit on it, and I can sit under a table, under, okay? So on is here, under is here, okay? So my wife and I, we have many different things under the bed. We have, what do we have? We have old clothes under the bed. We have computer wires. Yeah, wires are like this. This is a wire. We have computer wires under the bed. We have lots of rubbish under the bed. Rubbish. Things we store under the bed. But yeah, you have under, on, in, next to. Next to, it's, so he is running, or he is standing next to this man. He is standing next to this man. Next to just means here, yeah? So the word